In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find last year's tax return on TurboTax. If you ever need to look up what you filed previously, TurboTax makes it straightforward once you know exactly where to look. We'll focus on two simple actions inside your account: going to the Documents area and then choosing the right year from the filter so you see the correct files. Once you're in your TurboTax account, head straight to the Documents section. Depending on your screen size, you might see it in the main navigation or tucked in the sidebar. This is the hub where TurboTax stores items associated with your returns, things like your filed federal and state returns, acknowledgments, and certain forms you uploaded. Think of Documents as your secure filing cabinet inside TurboTax. Inside Documents, look for the filter labeled View Documents From. This drop-down controls which year's files you're viewing. Open it and select the year you want to review. If you're looking for last year's return, choose the tax year immediately before the current one. Keep in mind that TurboTax organizes by tax year, not necessarily the calendar year you filed. For example, if you filed your taxes early this year, the return itself still belongs to last tax year. Selecting the correct year in this dropdown is the key to making your past return appear. After you choose the year, the page will refresh and display all documents tied to that period. You should see entries that clearly reference your federal and, if applicable, state returns for that year. Titles often make it obvious which file is your return versus supporting items. If you have multiple documents for that year, a quick scan of the names and dates will help you spot the one you need. If you don't immediately see what you expect, double check the year you selected in the filter. It's easy to be off by 1 year, especially if you filed close to a deadline. Also, keep in mind that only returns filed in the account you're currently using will show up here. If you previously used a different TurboTax account or a desktop version, this Documents view won't include those files. And if the year you're looking for isn't available in the dropdown, that usually means there's no return saved in this account for that year. That's all there is to it. Go to Documents, then use the View Documents From filter to choose last year. With those two actions, you'll quickly land on the exact return you need right when you need it.